I told you guys I'd come back. Anyways, like I was saying before, today I'm going to show you how to draw Bardock. Okay, here's what you must know. You see, Bardock, he's Goku's father, and he made his appearance in a few episodes. Plus, he was first seen in the Dragon Ball Super movie, Dragon Ball Super Broly, and anyways, he's one of the main heroes in Dragon Ball Fighters. I don't know why Goku never met him, but he was a good man, and I heard that he transformed into the legendary. I heard he transformed into a Super Saiyan and fought against Frieza. Unfortunately, that didn't go so well because Frieza used a spirit bomb against him. He used a spirit bomb against him on planet Vegeta, and well, basically he was no more. I don't know when he'll come. I don't know why, but maybe Bardock will come back to life one of these days, and Goku will have a chance to meet him. I think he did meet him in an article, in this article on YouTube. So, if you guys want to see that video, be sure to go to that channel, and I'll let you guys know what it'll be like. Anyways, let's start drawing him, shall we? There's his mouth. Okay, next up is the things above his head. There we go. There's his mouth. My bad. Again, my bad. There's his head. Okay. Okay, next up, here's his hair here. Now, if you must know, his hair is similar to Goku's. Okay, next up is his chest. Almost done, you guys. We're almost there. Okay, and next up. Okay, that's done. The next thing you gotta do is that you gotta... Okay, I did his belt and his arm. There we go. There's his arm. And there we go. That's pretty much it. That's how you draw a Bardock. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what I'm going to draw next. Goodbye for now.